Hey everyone, welcome to Natural Earth Living. July is here, and if you're anything like me, that means more time hiking, camping, and exploring the great outdoors. But with all that adventure come the inevitable bumps, bites, and scrapes. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your own herbal first aid kit filled with safe, effective remedies straight from nature's medicine cabinet. Whether you're a seasoned forager or a weekend camper, you'll love having these natural solutions on hand. Why go herbal? Herbal first aid is not only gentle on your body, but it also reduces your reliance on synthetic chemicals. Plus, it's empowering to know you can take care of yourself and your family using plants you can grow or gather yourself. Essential herbs to include: 1. Plantain, Plantago major or lanceolata. Use for bug bites, bee stings, splinters, minor wounds. How to use: crush fresh leaves into a poultice and apply directly. Pro tip: you can also infuse plantain into an oil or salve for easy use. 2. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Use for cuts, scrapes, stopping bleeding. How to use: sprinkle dried, powdered yarrow on a fresh cut to slow bleeding, or apply a poultice of fresh leaves. Caution: avoid during pregnancy. 3. Calendula, Calendula officinalis. Use for rashes, burns, wounds healing. How to use: make an infused oil or salve for easy application. Calendula speeds healing and soothes irritation. 4. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia. Use for burns, insect bites, calming stress. How to use: a few drops of lavender essential oil diluted in a carrier oil make an excellent topical remedy. You can also brew a strong tea to use as a wash. 5. Echinacea, Echinacea purpurea. Use for infection prevention in cuts and bites. How to use: a tincture applied topically can help ward off infection. How to make a simple herbal salve. Let's make a quick herbal salve you can carry anywhere. This recipe is perfect for scrapes, bites, and burns. Ingredients: 1 cup dried plant material, like plantain, yarrow, calendula. 1 cup coconut or olive oil, 1 ounce beeswax. Steps: 1. Combine herbs and oil in a heat-safe jar. 2. Gently heat using a double boiler for 1 to 2 hours to infuse. 3. Strain out herbs. 4. Melt in beeswax until fully blended. 5. Pour into tins or jars to cool. Tip: label your salves with the date and ingredients so you always know what's inside. Quick fixes in the field. Here are a few ways to use these plants on the go. Plantain leaf poultice. Chew or crush a fresh leaf and press it on a sting. Yarrow powder. Keep a small jar of powdered yarrow in your kit for bleeding. Lavender spray. Mix lavender tea with witch hazel for a calming skin spray. Other herbal helpers. Consider adding these to your kit too. Chamomile, for calming skin and easing stress. Comfrey, for bruises and sprains. Use externally only. Peppermint, cooling relief for headaches as a diluted essential oil. Safety note: remember, always properly identify any wild plant before using it. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have medical conditions, consult a qualified herbalist or healthcare provider. Building your own herbal first aid kit is a simple way to feel prepared and connected to the natural world. Which herb will you start with? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with fellow nature lovers. See you on the trail.